how to spend it, cause I feel me money. Independent, gal. Real number one trending, gal. Now fi check when me spending, gal. Have me one house.
So, hi guys, I am back with another video today. As you can see by the title, I am going to get a Brazilian sugar wax. And I'm nervous because, like, I don't know what to expect. I don't know if it's gonna hurt. I mean, I've asked like a lot of people and they said yes, it hurts, it stings. I don't know, everyone has a different pain tolerance, and like when I get tattoos, I actually enjoy getting tattoos. Like, I like the feeling. Yeah, call me weird, but yeah, I decided to get a Brazilian because like I've been shaving and like it just grows back very fast. I'm currently near, and like I don't like that either because it grows fast. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna toughen up and I'm not gonna do one Brazilian wax. No, yeah. Ooh, I just decided to like take you guys along with me because, you know, I need more content for my YouTube channel. So I was like, hey, why not? So yeah, I am currently on my, oh fuck, I didn't turn my car on. Like, I had the car started, but I didn't put my keys in. So damn stupid. Sorry. Damn. Are you good? Are we driving? What did I do? Oh, I didn't put it back in. Shit, I feel so stupid. What the hell? Alright, it's back on now. Wait. Yep, okay, it's back on now. Alrighty. I was like, I felt like really retarded just now. Okay, anyway, so yeah, I'm on my way to go pick up my friend because I was talking about it at work and she wants to like experience it too. And then like, if she sees my reaction, maybe she'll get one after. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah. So I've been contemplating on getting a Brazilian wax for like a while, and I've been thinking about it. I was like, you know what, it's 2020, I can't let like fear stop me from doing things. So I'm like, hey, yep, I'm about to get my soul snatched. So that's what I'm gonna do. And like, I don't have any, I've like rarely have ingrown hairs. Like, I don't have problems with that, so I don't think the Brazilian wax should be a problem, although they say that limits it, but you can still get it. So yeah. And like, I don't know, the only thing I'm nervous about, okay, first of all, is the pain, and then the next thing is having someone see my private, you know, that's not a man who I'm like dealing with, or you know what I mean. I don't know, I just I'm gonna feel so weird. Like, I don't know, just having someone like seeing the good, seeing my pom, you know what I mean. Like, it's gonna be awkward, but I mean, hey, the lady, well, she's been doing this for years, so I'm pretty sure she sees like numerous type of vaginas: black, yellow, pink, orange, blue, red. So I mean, yeah. And another thing I'm worried about is like, what if I like pass gas or I have to use the bathroom, you know what I mean? And it's just like, ugh. Like, those are the things that I think about, because like me, I'm gonna tell you something, TMI, but like when I'm like in certain positions, you know, I have to like release air, whether it comes from my behind or my front. And don't call me nasty, because I know I'm not the only person whose front makes noise, okay? Like, you know, you're just releasing gas, so like that's what I'm afraid of. And like, I'm like, oh shit. But yeah, so yeah, like I said, I'm on my way to go pick up my friend. So when we reach at the place, I'll talk back to you guys. Alright, so guys, I'm in the place now. She gave me a towel to, you know, cover here, and she gave me a wipe to wipe front to back. It's so cold in the room. Father God, I don't pray as much, but please God, and protect me through this journey. Yeah. Okay. Do you mind if I record? Like myself, not like.
Oh yeah, that's okay.
Okay. Whew.
So how'd you find out about us?
I was told to tell you we're the buffet people.
Oh really?
Yeah.
So you work with Stephanie and all?
Yeah, Stephanie,
yes.
Lisa,
Okay.
and Trish, and all those, Alana.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Yes, I just saw Amber yesterday.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everyone comes here.
Alright, so this is my location. I hope not. I mean, they're tearing up that room like crazy.
Oh, you're starting already? Oh god. Okay.
You're doing great. See, distraction.
So you already didn't even know.
Distraction.
This is it. So I don't know if they told you anything about it. So
Like you warm it on my body and then like
Yes.
it.
Yeah. So it's just gonna be on your legs. So you don't have hair your legs, so it's great. So
Okay.
it isn't gonna hurt you. But it does get warmed up that way, and I'll warm up the initial piece like with my own body.
Okay.
Dude, I tried to switch it up and see if I could do both, and the needles haven't even opened.
You guys working today?
No, I'm off.
You said something about waddling, so like I feel like you should take the day off.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Are you not happy?
I mean, it's just like a little stain, that's all.
See, it's not that bad.
Okay.
It really depends on the person.
Yeah.
That's what I keep saying.
I'm gonna keep
Like
jumping.
some of the girls, they're like, nah, no big deal. I think Trish lays here and she like,
Trish almost fell asleep getting a tattoo. Okay?
she's crazy. Like, she just lays here and she's just like, nah, it's fine. Nah, it's fine. I'm like, what? But yeah, some of the girls really don't like it, but almost everyone just says it's not a big deal. It's whatever. It's quick.
I'm gonna say it's only for a second.
It's only for a second.
Then a lot of them have had
It's
children,
really
so they don't even
bad.
count. But like,
Some people, when they've got like a ton,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm like, girl, you're in for it, kind of. You're not gonna enjoy this. You're gonna hate me, but you'll be all right.
Okay.
I promise.
All right.
You're lucky. You're not so hairy.
Ooh.
You might be one of those people that like actually has bald spots after they're done.
Oh.
Like when they have started sugaring. Sometimes that happens.
Okay. Okay. It's not that bad, Kalia.
It's mostly the anxiety that gets you.
Okay.
I'm doing it for the first time.
I'm stressed.
Don't get stressed.
Wow, that was.
It'll be okay.
I'll work back in there.
You see, you.
This side's almost done already.
Almost okay.
You're doing great.
You're doing good.
You definitely are.
No,
Oh my god. That, yeah.
Alright, girlie, you can switch legs, do the same thing on the other.
Booty time.
All you want to remember for after is you just want to exfoliate.
Uh-huh.
So you can really use anything that you use now to do that. If you have like a glove or loofah or whatever.
Okay.
That's the most important part. Just especially when the hair starts to grow back through, that's when the hair gets trapped under any dead skin.
Uh-huh.
You don't see ingrowns that way. But otherwise there's no way you get an ingrown.
Okay.
Fantastic.
All it's gotta do it with is just when you got dry skin and they get trapped, that's all.
I only had like 2 ingrows my whole life, so I think that's...
Yeah, you don't look like someone who has ingrowns.
You do?
You're lucky, you're hairless and no ingrowns. All you do is just, once we're front, once we're back, just a little cloth wipe down. The sugar will come off with the hot water. So.
Okay. Oh shit, I'm done. It wasn't really that
Maybe you can
bad.
use-
Okay, thank you.
No problem. We'll get your little spot on your arm. That way you can get a little taste of it.
It wasn't that bad, guys. So, guys, my kitty is so nice and clean. Like, it's just so smooth, and it's like, honestly, I would definitely go back. The only problem that hurt it, as you can see in the video, was like those lips. Like, I was like, oh, Jesus. But yeah, it wasn't really that bad. Like, on a scale from 1 to 10, like a 5, 6. So, you know, and if I keep going, it'll just get lower. So yeah, it was good. It was $45, but you know, I had a referral from like my work fam, so it was $40. I tipped her 10. She was amazing. She made me feel comfortable. We were just talking and everything. And yeah, it took like about 20 minutes. So yeah. Granted, she said I wasn't really hairy like in my lip area, so it wouldn't hurt as much, but it still hurted like a bitch. So yeah, I think this is where I'm gonna end the video. I mean, she just told me that I have to exfoliate, so I'm gonna go to Walmart and get like a loofah, so you know I could like really scrub it, cause like I use a towelette or a rag or whatever you want to call it. So yeah, Kalia, do you have any comments?
I sure fucking don't. I'm just coming back.
You coming back? Okay, so you're
Yeah.
definitely gonna do it. That's good. That's good.
Wait.
Do you want to be in a video?
Hell
No? Okay. She's camera shy. So yeah, we're gonna go to Walmart now, and yeah, I'm gonna go buy a loofah. So thank you guys for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.